Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to repost Instagram story. To do that, head over to your Instagram application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account. And then, if you want to post someone's story, you can just, suppose I am just heading over to the story and I want to post it on my story. So to do that, I can apply two methods. If in the story I am mentioned, my account is mentioned, then I can directly share it from my DMs. Like suppose here you will find in your DM section that mentioned you in their story, so you can just post it from right here. And then there's another way to do that. You have to go to someone's story and then just video screen record it with your phone's screen recorder. And once you do it, you have to just post it on your story. So yeah, this is how you can just repost someone's story on Instagram. Hope this video helped you out, and we will see you in the next one.